80.
80.
80.
Adjectif 3.
Adjectives 3.
Adjectives 3.
Elle a un chien.
She has a dog.
She has a dog.
Le chien est grand.
The dog is big.
The dog is big.
Elle a un grand chien.
She has a big dog.
She has a big dog.
Elle a une maison.
She has a house.
She has a house.
La maison est petite.
The house is small.
The house is small.
Elle a une petite maison.
She has a small house.
She has a small house.
Il loge dans un hôtel.
He is staying in a hotel.
He is staying in a hotel.
L'hôtel est bon marché.
The hotel is cheap.
The hotel is cheap.
Il loge dans un hôtel bon marché.
He is staying in a cheap hotel.
He is staying in a cheap hotel.
Il a une voiture.
He has a car.
He has a car.
La voiture est chère.
The car is expensive.
The car is expensive.
Il a une voiture chère.
He has an expensive car.
He has an expensive car.
Il lit un roman.
He reads a novel.
He reads a novel.
Le roman est ennuyeux.
The novel is boring.
The novel is boring.
Il lit un roman ennuyeux.
He is reading a boring novel.
He is reading a boring novel.
Elle regarde un film.
She is watching a movie.
She is watching a movie.
Le film est captivant.
The movie is exciting.
The movie is exciting.
Elle regarde un film captivant.
She is watching an exciting movie.
She is watching an exciting movie.